Hi, I'm Rob with Skid Steer Solutions, and today we're going to talk about this Stanley concrete breaker for skid steers and compact track loaders. Let's start with the design. Stanley concrete breakers are built tough with reinforced construction. They can break and power through the most demanding material. The model we have here today is the MB-05. The MB-05 comes with a 4-way adjustable mounting bracket, which allows for versatility positioning of the breaker in order to demolish material of all shapes, sizes, and positions. Stanley breakers are modular. This allows them to be mounted not only on skid steers, but mini excavators, backhoes, and whatever application you may have. They can also host a wide range of breaker tools and accessories. What you see here today is a conical tip as well as a tamper plate. The Stanley design is simple. Less moving parts means less maintenance and less service needs. Thanks to a superior valve design, operators can utilize a wider range of pressures and flows, with less heat and stress on the components of the attachment. Now that we've gone over the features of the Stanley MB-05 concrete breaker, let's take it outside and see what it can do.